Okay, well, it cut out before I finished the hyperlapse, but I got it put up. Started with the roof ceiling portion, put up one side of the poles, then put on the top, put up the other side of the poles, then I put on the end pieces, that one and that one over there, and then I put on the sides. And I thought it was all hyperlapsed, but it wasn't. Anyway, this should cover up the area to keep it from getting wet while it rains, and I can prep for building a wooden shed, which will be coming up soon. Have a good day.